In this lecture, I'll show you how to export files in a .stl format, which is suitable for the vast majority of 3D printing slicing software. So I'm going to use this part to demonstrate. There are two ways to do this. There's a very quick and simple way, which gives us a very standard STL file to which we can't edit the mesh. And then there's the more detailed way to which we can edit that mesh. But let's start with the simple way. Let's come up to the top left where we've got File, click the drop down there. Then we come down to Export, left click once. Then very simply, we can just choose a location on our PC and save that file and make sure the type here is STL. But if we want to edit the mesh and ensure that we get some nice smooth curves like what we see around here, we can come across to bodies where we have our body there, or if you have multiple bodies, right click and come down to save as mesh. And then another toolbox, we want the preparation type to be export, the object, which Fusion's already selected for us, the format, keep that as XTL, unit type millimeters, which pulls in from the document settings here. And then if we do a preview of the mesh, come under the top view, you'll see that a bit better. We can see that there aren't a great deal of triangles here around the curvature areas, and this may result in a low quality print depending on what settings you're using in your slicing software. Therefore, if we come over to our toolbox, hit the refinement settings, and under the refinement, currently we're on the low setting, so we've got a triangle count, 744 triangles. Let's bump that up to, let's go for a high triangle count and see the difference there. And immediately we can see many more of these triangles form, and especially around any complex areas, such as the circular areas, any arcs or the slot. And so by leaving everything else as a default here, if we then click OK, we can then either save that to our projects or we can save that to our computer, choosable suitable location, and then click Save. And that is how we export an STL file in Fusion.